Hi, here is my final screencast demonstrating what I've learned and what I enjoyed about making my website for my class. So this website is for my marketing students. It'll be one of my marketing classes specifically. I like doing the website based on class because I think it's easier for one if the students just have one website to go through for their whole class, then they don't have to jump from page to page to try to find their class. It just goes over my home screen, and then you can go to course information this way, which is the syllabus, lesson plans, and then just, of course, my last lesson plan. And then there'll be, in my syllabus, I have like the schedule, explications, and rules. You can also go to my course information from the top. This I think is important because it helps students to have like one spot to always like find the syllabus, and it's easy to just scroll through and look at the schedule, and then I can change it as time goes on if we need to. And that way, if it's printed off, I don't have to keep printing it up if we change any schedule or just like the class rules or anything like that. And these are lesson plans, so if students want to look ahead or were confused about something, or they just wanted to look about what is given, they have it. And then also I can have it in just one generic spot, so it's easy for me to find as well. About me, I think it's important for students to learn a little bit about their teacher, and just know that they can come to me anytime. And I think the About Me page helps students realize that teachers are here for them, and that no matter what, we want what's best for them, and we want them to succeed, and that's why we do the things we do. And then I have a students work page because I think it's really important to highlight how students are doing, and what when students go above and beyond on assignment, they should be appreciated and kind of shown off, and just have that pride that they did really well. And so this is going to be a place where I can just put students' work. Right now it has my work, but that's just because I don't have students. And this is just a cover letter and a resume and a paper, which is kind of the things we'll do. But I want to really do projects in class because I think it's a great way for students to really get involved with hands-on activities and really take pride in what they do. So what I learned is really that when you're making a website and also like demonstrating and giving instructions to students, you have to be very specific, because just because I know how to do something doesn't mean they do. And so when I'm going through, I need to go step by step, and I need to take the time to make sure I'm hitting all of the steps, even if it's a small one, because they might not see why that step is important and skip it completely. And also it's looking into making it. There's a lot of different varieties, so I think it's important to also let students have their decisions in making this, so they could have a totally different theme or different kinds of pages, and when they build it, they can add different links and all of these things. So I think it's really important to keep a rubric, but also have parts of the rubric where they can be creative and really create their own design, and really focus on what they bringing themselves into the assignment. Because I think if you are connected personally to assignment or a project, then you put more into it because you feel like it is an important project. So that's what I've really noticed as I'm making my website, because I was really happy with it. Of course, there's always changes I can make and improve my website, but it was fun to take and make my assignments, because then I could figure out what I think is important for my students. And of course, like, feedback is very important, because I want to make sure that I'm putting all of the information that I should into my website for students. But I really liked that I got to control what I added. So thank you, and this is my website. So here is the one published.